Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with MyCraftSource, and today I'll be showing you how to make a multicolored t-shirt using StarCraft SoftFlex HTV. Now we can come over here to our Create program, and the idea is you want to get your image cut up in a way that, complements what it is. So I've split my moon and sun right down the middle. This is what it normally looks like. And to show you how to do that really quick, all you do is click your image, press Control D. On the total columns, you click up to 2. And then you go in here with your eraser tool and you erase all the parts that you don't want to be there. Much like that, you can go in and get really fine with the details, but since I've already done that right here, you would click Create. Make sure you're on the SoftFlex preset. And if you don't have that, I'll read this off to you. The pressure is 12, the score pressure is 30, and both the speed and the up speed are 10. Then you would go ahead and put everything on your mat right here. You'd go ahead and put your SoftFlex HTV on here. But since I've already done that right here, I'm going to skip the weeding process and all that, and we can go ahead and come right over here. What we're gonna do first is turn this on, click set, set again, make sure you're on 285, set again, make sure you're on 8 seconds. You need 285 at 8 seconds, and wait for it to get warm. All right, so what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna put the shirt on here and try to get it as lined up as possible while this still heats up. Reason being, I want to get all the wrinkles out by pre-pressing it. So when you're pre-pressing, you only need to do it for a couple seconds just to get all the wrinkles and such out. Okay, so we're getting pretty close to the point we want to be at, so I'm going to go ahead and lay down our material. We want to try to get about 3 fingers away from the bottom of the collar. Get it as lined up as possible. And we're gonna take our mat. You're gonna hold it down for about 3 seconds for the first one. Just pull that right off. And then do the same thing again. Just rinse and repeat. After you get your last backing off, we're gonna stick the heat resistant sheet on here one more time. And but for 3 to 4 seconds, how long we're gonna hold it down just to make sure that it gets all the creases out of the vinyl. And after that, it should be good. Yeah, and that's what we're working with. Beautimous, absolutely gorgeous, splendiferous. All right, guys, thank y'all for coming by. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much.